Hi, I'm Jordan from Stafford Motor Match, and this is the Nissan Qashqai n-tec Plus. It comes with LED signature daytime running lights as well as 18-inch alloy wheels in a diamond cut finish. Now these wheels add so much character to the exterior of the car and go perfectly with the red colouring. You have also got the chrome details around the windows as well as the chrome roof rails, and it goes amazingly with the rear privacy glass. Now this is great for keeping possessions in the rear seats or in the boot, as you'll be completely safe from prying eyes. Going into boot, I'll show you how much space you actually get with this car. There is loads of room, so luggage would fit in this car easily as well as shopping, so you'd have no problem at all there. The rear seats have also got tether points as well as fold forward to create an extended boot, so if you need that extra space for large or long objects, that is available to you. This car also comes with under boot storage where you can take the flooring out, so if you want a deeper floor you are able to take these little shelves out and create a deeper boot. But they are also great as you can store stuff underneath them and keep them safe again from people looking into the car. If you lift up the boot flooring again, you will see a space to keep a spare tyre or any other accessories that you may need in case of an emergency, and it's not an eyesore as it is stored underneath the boot flooring. Into the rear seats now, you can see that they are made out of a full black cloth finish and they have got a graphite cloth trim, so it really just adds so much character to the car and makes it look stunning from the interior as well as the exterior. Going into the passenger side now, you'll be able to see you've got a black piano finish that runs along the doors and is also continued onto the dash, just bringing all the little details of the car together to make it look outstanding. You've also got the full cloth seats in the front with that graphite cloth trim, really bringing the whole look of the car together. Onto the driver's side, you will be able to see you've got that black piano finish again, as well as all electric window controls, so you can have complete control over everything going on in the car as the driver. Now this is your driver's digital display. This displays all the relevant information that the driver will need to know at any point. It is controlled from the controls on the full leather steering wheel. So on this side we have got your cruise control as well as answering or declining calls, and then this side is going through the different menu options which I'll show you now. So when you click the button, you'll see that you've got fuel economy on right now. You can also have navigation, traffic signs, radio, as well as driving aids, and then your overall tyre pressures. So anything you need is all available to you on that driver's display. This car is also a diesel manual, and again you can see that trim around there. This car also comes with an electronic parking brake and a 12-volt charger, so you can plug a device in there and charge your phone easily. This is your dual climate control. Now a fantastic feature is that I can adjust the driver's side without affecting the passenger side. So if I like it a bit hotter than my passengers, I am able to adjust it without affecting them. Going on to your digital display now, it is also a touch screen, so you can use the different buttons or you can use the screen to go through everything. Here you have got radio where you support DAB, FM and AM. You've also got a CD player as well as an aux cord. Now when the car is put into reverse, a reversing camera comes up. You can see you've got a 360 camera surround, so every single angle of the car is covered when reversing or manoeuvring. Going on to the map now, you can see it came up straight away and it's crystal clear to see. As well, you can also use your finger to move the map, so if you want a new destination or it's not in the right place, you can adjust it that much more easier. If you want to input a destination note, all you got to do is click nav and it will automatically bring up the destination screen. The main focal point of this car is the panoramic sunroof. It allows so much light into the car and it really is fantastic. It is controlled from the buttons at the top here by all the light controls, and you can see it will bring the shade backwards and forwards. So if you don't want that sunroof on show, you are able to adjust it to how you like it. It effortlessly slides across, completely blocking out the whole sunroof. But if you want to open, all you have to do is press the button again and it will open for you. So that was the Nissan Qashqai n-tec Plus that is now available at Stafford Motor Match. If you'd like to inquire about this vehicle, then give us a call on 01785 218 297.